Welcome to Learnglish. Today we will be dealing with two confusing phrasal verbs, must and have to. What's the difference? Must means you really need to do something based on what you think is right. Have to means you need to do something because of a rule or law. Now let's try. 1. We clean up after the party. There is external force that we need to clean up, so we say have to. 2. I call my parents tonight. This isn't a rule, but it's right to call your parents, so we say must. 3. I go to the dentist. This is not a rule, you just need to go to the dentist. We say must. 4. I reach the office at 10. You tell me which one to use, must or have to.